Buddy, how's it going again today? It's your boy Nathaniel, and today we're going to be having our USD BTC analysis again today. The Bitcoin versus the US dollar. And for a couple of weeks now, we've been having a very bearish trend on this pair, and I'm going to be analyzing it a bit. I won't really go deep because I don't have much time. I don't want the video also to be too long. So this was our highest spot at 68 68,300 $400 $68,000 for one BTC USD, and we've been having all this movement to the downside. So we had this major movement to the downside. We had a retest. We have another major movement to the downside, and we had a retest. And now we have this. So firstly, I would like to check for today. I would like to check what the news is saying. We had some very important news, major news that moves the market definitely for the USD pair. We have the CB consumer confidence for the month of August, extremely good. In fact, the last one for July was 95.3, and the forecast for August was 97.9, and this particular news brought 103.2. That's super cool for the USD. And the job openings also super cool, also super cool also for the USD. And this means a bullish momentum for the USD. So back to the chart. Where you at? So back to the chart. Yes. So sorry about that. So we've been on this bearish movement for the USD going for weeks, in fact since months actually. Let me to confirm. We've been on this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 months. We've been bearish on the BTC USD, and things are not really looking good for BTC at the moment. There's nothing to hide about that. Things are not looking good, even though we are at a very major level of support at the moment. We're at the major level of support at the moment. We can see this zone. This was where the price was at January 2018. This was December 2017, and this was the last rise before we had a retest, and before that serious move we had that brought us to 68,000 USD. So at the moment we are still very bearish on Bitcoin. As much as people really wish the Bitcoin goes back up, but the financial market is not about people's wish. The financial market is all about people's behavior, actually, people's action. The bigger boys and the majority of people putting in money to buy or invest in the financial market, and the BTC is just the same thing. So at the moment, I'll be expecting. Okay, so let me just analyze the daily trend. We had this drop on the daily chart. We had a try to the buy side that couldn't go. This was our trap sellers. We had this movement, we had another trap, we came to the release side, then we had a movement to the upside that didn't break down again, and this time around instead we even had a little range over here that broke off. So now we have a refresh for this particular downtrend that has been coming from 68,000. So all this movement is actually just a refresh for the sellers to hit the sells again. And judging by the way the news on on USD came out today, 30th of August, I'll be expecting more movement to the downside. So maybe we'll be getting to this area. We should be looking forward to hit uh, this is our current level. We should be looking forward to hit this level. At the minimum, we should be expecting to get this level, which is our 17,500. But with the way things are going and the momentum and everything, we should actually be seeing a further downtrend. In fact, I'm actually anticipating a single unit price for the USD. If we break this zone on daily, there is no way. That means we'll be heading down again to 12,000 and 12,000 and maybe even a single unit price before we can now have a retest, and then we'll know what to do. But all things being equal, we should have our price get to a point like this, which is 10,000 to 10,000 USD to 1 BTC. So that is my analysis for BTC USD standing 30th August 2022. Please, this is not a financial advice. This is just my own personal analysis. Trade responsibly, invest responsibly, but I will be hoping to bring the BTC price back to like 9,000, 10,000 price before we can have any form of reaction from the buy side. For now, we are bearish on the BTC USD. I'm positive and standing by.